video released to WRAL shows law enforcement officers were sure a Durham District Attorney's Office legal assistant would be fired from his job after seeing his behavior at the scene of a crash here. Yet WRAL Investigates found he's still on the job more than 2 months later. Earlier this week, we brought you dash camera video from the Highway Patrol where witnesses accused Josiah Wilkerson of being violent, and patrol members said he constantly name-dropped his employer.
WRAL Investigates now has new body camera video from that night. Sarah Kruger joins us live from the courthouse after watching the video, as well as speaking to two of the victims involved in all of this.
Dan, in some of that body camera video, the officer's safety vest is covering part of the camera. I want to mention that because you will notice that when you see this video. As far as those two victims I talked to them on the phone. They are absolutely stunned that Josiah Wilkerson still has a job here at the DA's office. They say this crash really impacted their life and their ability to work, and perhaps seemingly it did not do the same for him.
Taking him to jail for what?
WRAL Investigates received a second round of video from the August crash scene, which we sought under public records law. It's dash and body camera video from sheriff's deputies who went to the crash site assisting Highway Patrol. It shows a deputy running up to the scene to help troopers, who explained legal assistant Josiah Wilkerson was getting violent. His mom was there, very emotional.
They need to calm down. He does. I'm telling you. Josiah, calm down. Hey, back up. Back up.
Troopers say Wilkerson was driving drunk and crashed into one car, causing it to hit another. This video shows a trooper on the scene thought Wilkerson would lose his job.
He ain't gonna be working for the DA's office no more. I'll make sure
Does it have to go to that?
Absolutely.
On top of Wilkerson's charges for DWI and resisting an officer, he was also charged for having no insurance. By phone, I spoke with two people in the crash who said that has created a nightmare for them as they try to replace their totaled car. One told me he lost his job because of injuries sustained in the crash. The other had to cut back work hours and is still going to physical therapy 2 times a week. About 20 minutes into the video, Assistant DA Monica Burnett, who oversees traffic cases, arrived after Wilkerson called her.
You who? Monica Burnett. Assistant District Attorney.
WRAL has reported on complaints from some who find it inappropriate that she came out. She questions officers and defies commands to move her car.
But in the meantime, I'm asking you again to move your car out of the roadway until we get this taken care of.
As the night goes on, officers express their disbelief about what unfolded from Burnett.
Yeah, 88, but I had to let her know, like, I don't care who you are. Yeah.
And Wilkerson.
He's doing all this and he works for the DA?
And the DA's office still has not officially confirmed that Josiah Wilkerson still works here. They have not responded yet to my emails and phone calls, but multiple sources are telling me he does. Dan.
We know you'll get to the bottom of it. Sarah Kruger live at the Durham County Courthouse. Thanks, Sarah.